Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. I am Sampath. So in this class we will discuss paper number 294. See the first question. If in the number 386945275 last 5 digits are written in reverse order, then what is the sum of the digits which is fifth from left and second from right end of the number thus formed. So last 5 digits are reversed, so that is 386957254. So what is the fifth from left? That is 5, and next what is the second from right? That is also 5. Sum of these two, that is 10. 10 is the answer. Next 2 to 6. So see 8 boxes D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K are placed one above another in a single stack, but not necessarily in the same order. G is placed 3 boxes above K. So G is placing 3 boxes above K. So 1, 2 and G is placing here. And only one box is kept between K and box H, which is not placed adjacent to G. So only one box is between K and H. So K and H. And next F is placed adjacent to box H. So F is placed adjacent to box H and not placed second position from the bottom. Position from the bottom. And next, so it is not second from the bottom, here one more place is there. Only 3 boxes are placed between F and I. So 1, 2, 3, here I is placed 1, 2 and 3. So above there is no place to fix I, and also below also there is no place to fix I. And next, box E placed 2 boxes below J. So box E placed 2 boxes below J. If J is placing here, E is placing here. More than 3 boxes are placed between J and D. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here D is placing. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. So it is the final arrangement of the stack. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Question number 2. As many boxes placed between J and I. So between J and I there are 2 boxes are there, and between dash and dash. So see K and H. So K and H, one box is there. F and I. So there are 3 boxes. E and D, there are 2 boxes are there. Which of the following box is placed 2 boxes below D? That is F. So which of the following statement is true with respect to final arrangement? J is placed immediately below D, not correct. 2 boxes placed between G and K. So G and K, there are 2 boxes are there. It is the correct one. Question number 5. Which of the following does not belonging into the group? J and E. So between them one box is there. I and D, one box, and K and E. So one box is there. G and I. So G and I, there is also one box, and H and E. So see between H and E there are 3 boxes are there. This one is the odd one out. How many boxes are placed between J and K? So J here and K here, between them 3 boxes are there. Next inequalities is there. See the first one, question number 7. E greater than O. So E here and O here. So here greater than it follows. So first one is correct. G less than T. G here and T here, both signs are different. One is less than, one is greater than. Second one is not correct. Only one is true. Next, H greater than R. H here and R here, and 2 signs are opposite signs. One is greater than, one is less than. This one is not correct. W less than U. So W here and U here. So here both are different and opposite signs are there. Option 5. Neither 1 or 2 follows. Next, 9th one. J greater than Q. J here and Q here. So all are greater than are following. First one is correct. I greater than Y. I here and next Y here. So I greater than Y definitely not follows. Here we have greater than. Okay, but we need to find reverse order. So this one is not correct. Only one is correct. Next, question number 10. K greater than B. So K here and B here, both are opposite signs. Here less than and greater than are there. I greater than Y. I here and Y here. So here is greater than I and y, greater than k and greater than y. So second one is definitely follows. Option 2 is the answer, 10th one. Coming to the 11th one, u greater than f. So u here and f here both are opposite signs. Okay, this one is not correct. F less than k. So f here and k here, f is less than k. So here also we have opposite signs. Okay, this one is also not correct. Option 5 is the answer. Next, if in the word enforcement all the vowels change to the just succeeding letter and all the consonants change to the just preceding letter in English alphabet, and then which of the following letter is sixth from left. So sixth from left end of the given arrangement. So first of all, what is the sixth from left? So from left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So C is the sixth from left end, it is the consonant. So consonants are changed to preceding letter of the. So before C there is B is there, option B is the answer. So okay, so option 3 is the answer. Next, 13 to 17. We have puzzle is there. So see first one. 8 persons L, M, N, O, P, Q, R and S are sitting around a circular table such that some of them facing inside, some of them facing outside of the table. Not more than 2 adjacent persons face the same directions. Note, if it is said that P and Q are facing same direction, then P and Q either face inside or outside. Okay, it is the note. So see the first one. There are totally 8 persons are there. All are sitting in around a circular table. Some of them facing center and some of them facing outside. We don't know how many are facing center and how many are facing outside. Starting from L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So say the first one. O sits second to the right of P, where both are facing opposite directions. P sits second to the right of R, who sits second to the left of Q. So starting from O sits second to the right of P. Suppose P is there, P is taking, P is outside and P is inside from two possibilities. O is the second to the right of P and O is the second to the right of P. And next, P sits opposite, so both are facing opposite directions. So O is facing inside, here O is facing outside. P sits opposite to R, who sits second to the left of Q. So P is opposite to R, R here and R here. R who is second to the left of Q. Already here O is there. If Q is taking here, Q is outside and R is second to the left of Q. Suppose if Q is placing here, Q facing inside, R is second to the left of Q. Next, only 2 persons sit between L and Q when counted from the right of Q. Okay, so only 2 people between L and Q. So between L and Q, and also it is right side of Q. So right side of Q there are 2 persons are there. Here also 2 persons are there. Next, both L and R face the same direction. Okay, so L and R both are facing same direction. These two are same and R and L are same direction. And next, S face inside and. Okay, so S is inside facing. And next, only 3 persons sit between L and N. So between L and N there are 3 persons are there. And who sits second to the right of S? Actually S is inside. Suppose if S is placing, S is facing inside, so N is second to the right of S. And next, so coming to this possibility, S is sitting here. Suppose S facing center, so already ichinaru kada S faces inside and cheppesi. Okay, so N is second to the right of S. Next, both and M and S, so remaining person, that is M. So both M and S faces opposite direction. M is outside and here also M is outside. The number of persons facing outside is 2 more than the number of persons facing inside. Okay, so outside is 2 numbers more than that is inside. సో ఎవరైతే ఇన్సైడ్కి ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళకంటే 2% ఎక్కువ అవుట్ సైడ్కి ఫేస్ చేస్తుంటారని మీనింగ్. సో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తే n doesn't face outside, in the sense n is facing inside. So n is facing inside. From the first possibility, first find how many persons are facing outside, starting from q, 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 3, so total 3 persons are outside and inside చూడండి ఒకసారి, and 1 2 and 3 persons are inside. So what is the condition? Outside is 2 more than inside, so only 2 places we left, that is R and L. Suppose if R is placing outside, L is facing outside. Why? Because both are facing same direction. So it is +2, it means 5. Condition satisfies. Coming to this one, O is outside, 1 2, so only 2 persons are outside. So 2 persons are outside, remaining 1 2 3 and 4 persons are inside వచ్చింది. Coming to the second possibility, 4 persons are inside కాబట్టి సో దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. రిమైనింగ్ 2 పర్సన్స్ని మనము అవుట్ సైడ్ తీసుకున్న 4 + 4 ఈక్వల్ వస్తారు. ఓకే, ఇది కాదు కదా మన కండిషన్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫైనల్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ది పజిల్. Let us move on to the questions. There are totally 5 persons are facing outside. See the question, student ఒకసారి. See the first question, question number 13. What is the position of m with respect to s? So m here, s here, either 4th from right or 4th from left. So here only 4th from right. Which of the following pair of persons sit adjacent to s, that is q and p? Find the odd, so find the one that doesn't belonging into the group. So O and P. So O is center and P is outside. Q, S both are opposite direction. L and N both are opposite, and M and S. So M here and S both are opposite. So P and L both are same direction. Okay, this one is the odd one out. Who among the following persons sit third to the left of R? So third to the left of R, that is L. And next, all the persons are made sit alphabetical order from clockwise direction starting from L. Okay, so starting from L nunti anni alphabetical order lo unte how many positions are remain unchanged including L? Starting from L, M, N, O, P, Q, R and S. So Q is not changing and L is not changing. We need to calculate L is also. Okay, 2 persons are not changing their positions. Next, and 18 to 20. There are 7 members R, S, T, U, V, W and X in the family with 3 generations. There is a married couple in each generation. Okay, so S is daughter-in-law of R who has only 2 children. See, S is the daughter-in-law of R. So it means R has a son, this son is married S. Okay, and R has 2 children, and this one both are 2 children of R. W is the son of T. So W is the son of T and does not have any siblings. So W not having any siblings. Next, W is married to X. He is married to X. This guy is female. U is unmarried and there is no single parent in the family. So ఈ రెండింటిని ఒకసారి మిక్స్ చేద్దాం మనం. మిక్స్ చేస్తే సో W is son of T. Suppose if T is placing here, W is the children of S and T, and W is married X. X is the female candidate. These two are married couple, and these two are married couple. U is unmarried. Okay, so you place U here, either sister or brother of T, and because we don't know what is the gender of U, remaining person we left with V only. So each generation there is one married couple కాబట్టి ఈ ఇద్దరిని కూడా మనం మ్యారీడ్ కపుల్గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. వై? బికాస్ యూ ఈజ్ అన్మ్యారీడ్. ఓకే, సో వీ డోంట్ నో హూ ఈజ్ మేల్ అండ్ హూ ఈజ్ ఫీమేల్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ us మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద క్వశ్చన్స్లోకి వెళ్దాం. See the question number 18. how U related to T if R is female. So, U here and T here, if R is female or male ainanta maatrana we do not know what is the gender of U, cannot be determined. How is W related to U? So, W here and U here, obviously W is the niece of, W is the nephew of U. How T related to X? So, T here and X here, obviously T is the father-in-law of X. Next, 21 to 25. 8 persons S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z are working in a company, different designations but not necessarily in the same order, such as CMD, CEO, COO and CFO, MD, SM and DM, and next clerical. The designations are given in descending order such that CMD is the senior most and clerk is the junior most. So, starting from CMD, CEO and next COO, senior manager, assistant manager and finally clerk. See the first one. So, first one starting from U. U is senior to CFO but not designated CEO. Okay. So, U is placing here and not CEO, U is here. And next, only 2 persons are designated between U and Z. So, Z is placing here and Z is here. Number of persons junior to Z is 1 less than the number of persons senior to S. So, junior to Z, that is 2, it is 1 less than senior to S, that is S is placing here. And next, and coming to the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, S is placing here. V is immediately senior to Y, who is neither CEO nor COO. So, V is immediately senior to Y and he is not CEO and COO. So, V is placing here and Y is here. So, here we do not get V and Y. Coming to the second possibility, and here also same. And next, tarvata only 4 persons designated between V and W, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And next 1, 2, 3 and 4 W. T is senior to W. So, T is senior to W, there is no place to fix T here. And remaining person, that is X, is placing here. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. So, let us move on to the questions. See the first question, question number 21. How many persons are designated between T and V? So, between T and V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there, more than 4. All the persons are designated alphabetical order, senior to junior. What is the position of X? So, starting from economy, STUV. So, S, T, U, V, W and X. So, what is the position of X? That is SM. Who among the following person is 2 persons senior to Z? So, 2 persons senior to Z, that is CFO or S. Okay. So, option 4 is the answer. Which of the following statement not true with the respect to final arrangement? Z is senior to Y, obviously correct. 2 persons are designated between W and X, correct, and U is COO, correct, and V is 3 persons junior to X. So, actually 2 persons junior to X, kabatti this one is not correct. Who among the following is the CMD of the company? So, CMD of the company, that is T. And next, here we have coding and decoding. See the first one. Flower should tree wealth, flower sports minor pool, minor road true and wealth, pool true, should and wealth. So, what is the most repeated word here? See the first one, that is should. So, should kaadu true, and next, so wealth here, wealth and wealth. So, what is the code for wealth? wealth code is wealth and true చూడండి. So true and true and true. So both wealth and true both are lying in first, third and fourth. So how many codes are lying in first, third and fourth? So see, next UE and UE and UE, either UE or, and next TH and TH. Okay, so either coded as UE or TH, both true and wealth. Next, flower. So flower is in first and second. Flower is coded as that is TS. TS is the flower. And next remaining should here and also should in fourth. So what is the code for should? That is LD. LD is the code for should. Next, coming to the second. So sports, minor and pool. So see, pool and pool. So pool and pool, that is OL. So OL is the code for pool. Next, minor and minor. Minor and minor is coded as YB. YB. And next remaining sports. Sports is coded as YS. Next, coming to the third one, that is left with only road. Road is coded as AD. Okay, so these are the codes for each and every word. Let us move on to the questions and see question number 26. What is the code for the word pool? So pool is coded as OL. Which among the following word is coded as YS? That is sports. Wealth master is coded as TH and DZ. Then what will be the code for build true in a certain code language? Actually, in the first one, true and wealth either coded as UE or TH. So here wealth is coded as TH. Then what about true code? So that is true is coded as remaining UE. Okay, and next, what is the code for build and true? So there is no build word here. Build and word లేదు కాబట్టి సో చూడండి ఫస్ట్ UE. So where UE and LD. LD is already coded as LD. LD అనే వర్డ్ని we should code it as should do. This one is not correct, and there is no GH code for any word. Okay, this one is the answer. UE GH is the answer. What is the code for minor sports? So minor, first minor is coded as YB and sports is coded as YS. YB and YS. Which among the following words are coded as TS and LD? So TS is coded as that is flower. TS is coded as flower and LD. So LD is coded as should. So flower should is the answer. Next, question number 31 to 34. So ఒకసారి ఆప్షన్స్ చూడండి. Option 1 only 2 follows, option 2 only 1 follows. Neither 1 or 3, 1 or 2, and option 4 వచ్చేసి either 1 or 2, option 5 both 1 and 2 follows. These are the options. See the first one. Only a few sumo is dancing. So only a few sumo is dancing. All dancing is surfing. All dancing is surfing. It is sumo. All sumo is game. All sumo is game. It is the Venn diagram. See the first conclusion. No sumo is surfing. So here only follows some and all. So here no is not following. Okay, no ane word is it is the negative relation. There is no relation here follows. Some surfing is game. So surfing here and game here, definitely second one is follows. What is the answer here? Option 1 is the answer. Only 2 follows. Next, 32. Only a few run is drive. So only a few run is drive. Next, all drive is lift. all drive is lift and all lift is climb, all lift is climb. And next conclusions, all drive is climb. So, drive here and climb here, definitely one is correct. Some lift can be run, some lift can be run, lift here and run here. Already lift and run some అనేది definitely follow అవుతుంది కాబట్టి can be definitely not follows. Okay. Second one is not follows, only one is correct. What is the option here? Option 2 is the answer, only one follows. Options కూడా ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Next, coming to the 33, only a few wolf is waste. So, wolf is waste. Some waste is skill. So, some waste is skill. All skill is price. Some price is wolf. So, price here and wolf here, there is no relation between wolf and price. No wolf is skill. Wolf here and skill here. Skill వచ్చేసి all skill are price కాబట్టి. So, what is the answer? Both 1 and 2 not follows. Both 1 and 2 not follows, that is option 3, neither 1 or 2 follows. 34, see 34, only a few Ram is Yashi. Ram is Yashi. No Yashi is Narendra and some Narendra is Kavita. So, see conclusions, all Ram can be Narendra, Ram here and Narendra here. Suppose if all Ram can be Narendra అయితే some Ram can be some Ram is Yashi, Yashi అనేది definitely not follows అవుతుంది కాబట్టి conclusion 1 definitely not follows. Next, no Yashi is Kavita. So, Yashi here and Kavita here, no definite relation between Yashi and Kavita. Second one is also not following. What is the answer here? Option neither 1 or 2 follows, that is option 3 is the answer. Next, question number 35. So, see if we form a 4-letter meaningful word determined. So, from determined, from this word starting from second letter, fourth letter, sixth and seventh, second, fourth, sixth and seventh, that is E, E, M and I. So, how many meaningful words are formed? Okay, using each letter only once. Okay, so by using these letters we can't make any meaningful word. So, no meaningful word. Okay, what is the answer? That is X is the answer. Next, question number 36 to 40. So, here we have one more puzzle, last puzzle, 36 to 40. So, see ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినాడో చూద్దాం. 6 persons J, K, L, M, N and O are living in 2 different flats, that is flat A and flat B and 3-story building. Okay, there are 2 flats are there in 3-floor building, but not necessarily in the same order. Lowermost floor is number 1 and the floor immediately above is number 2 and so on. Flat A is to the west of flat B. Each persons like different flowers, rose, lotus, primrose and sunflower, Maria and flax. Okay, here we have 3-floor puzzle. So, see 3, 2, 1. These are the 2 floors. So, these are the 3 floors and there are 6 persons are living, and here flat A and flat B, and flat A is west of flat B and flat A is west of flat B, 2 possibilities. Okay. Next, each one likes different flowers starting from N. N live in the flat A of an odd numbered floor. Okay, so odd numbered floor, there are 2 persons are there. So, flat A, so N is placing here and N is placing here. The one who likes rose lives above N. So, above N in the sense N is not placing here. So, if N is placing here, the one who likes rose lives above N but not immediately above. Okay. So, either rose is placing here or rose is placing here. Next, M doesn't live on the same floor as the one who likes rose. So, M is not placing here. J lives to the west of M and who likes flags. So, J lives to the west of M. Suppose M is placing here and J is here. J is west of M who is likes flags, and M and J he is likes flags. Next, the one who likes Muria and sunflower live on different floors. Okay, so Muria and sunflower both are different floors, but in the same flat antunnadu. So, same flat in the sense either A or B. Okay, so ee point konse pakkana petteddam, remaining chuddam. Next, both O and L live on the same floor. Both O and L live on the same floor. L lives to the east of the one who likes sunflower antunnadu. So, L వచ్చేసి ఈస్ట్ లో ఉంటారు ఎవరికి సన్ఫ్లవర్ లైక్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ L is placing here, okay, here sunflower facing person, sunflower liking person coming here. Suppose if L is placing here, ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ మనకి సన్ఫ్లవర్ రావాలి. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ రోజు వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సో దిస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. సో ఓన్లీ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ both O and L in the same floor. So, here O is placing. So, ఈ possibility already mistake అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి I am going to review this. Next, see the next one. L lives to the east of the one who likes sunflower and J likes neither Muria nor primrose. Okay, so the remaining person, that is K here, and J doesn't like Muria and sunflower. The one who likes Muria and sunflower live on the different floors of the same flat. Suppose M and K and M and K. So, here sunflower and Muria both are living in same flat. So, J doesn't like Muria. Okay, so J neither likes Muria nor premises. So, here Muria is coming. N likes Muria, and so remaining person, that is primrose. So, primrose likes by K, and J, the remaining person, that is lotus. Lotus is liking by J. Okay, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. See the questions. Let us move on to the questions. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Question number 36. Who lives in the same floor with the one who likes rose? That is O sunflower. Okay, O sunflower. N likes which of the following flavor? That is Muria. If sunflower related to lotus, so sunflower here and lotus here, and flax is related to promises, and in certain way, which of the following flower? So Muria is related to actually lotus. Okay, so lotus, both are immediate neighbors. Okay, paina kinda unnaru kada. Next, coming to the 39th questions. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Find the which one doesn't following in the group. So, O is topmost floor, and the one who likes rose, it is also topmost floor. And next, K is the bottom, and flax is middle, and N is the bottom. So, bottom and top on top. So, this one is the middle one. What is the odd one out? Option 4 is the answer. Question number 40. Who lives immediately above the one who likes Muria, same flat? So, immediately above, that is J, lotus. Okay, so option 1 is the answer. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.